Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create MongoDB Atlas account. So let's go to the browser and here I'll type mongodb.com, okay, and press enter. So here you need to click on try free. So here is the sign up form. You can either fill this form or you can just click on sign up with Google, okay. So here I will be using this form. So let me type my name, surname. The company is Tech Academy. And email is techacademy2019@gmail.com. Password, I'll keep my password. You can create your own password and you just need to click on I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. And then we can just click on create your Atlas account. Okay. You can either use sign up with Google if you have a Gmail account. I was having Gmail account, but still I want to show you this option by filling the form. Let me close this. Okay, we need to verify the email. So I'll just pause the video and I'll just verify the email. Okay, so my verification link is expired. So let me click on recent verification email. So here it is written, this link will expire after 2 hours. Okay, so let's click on verify email. Okay, so my email is successfully verified. Let's click on continue and let's close this Gmail account. Okay, now it is saying welcome. Use your account to deploy a cloud database with MongoDB Atlas and contact support. Okay, so now it is redirecting me to these options. So, what is your goal today? Okay, so let's click on Learn MongoDB. What type of application you are building? Okay, so I'm just selecting randomly. I'm selecting. Okay, so let's click on content management. Okay. What is your preferred language? So let's click on JavaScript and click on finish. Okay, so here are the options: serverless, dedicated, or shared. So let me close this. So this is the free one which we wanted to use. Okay, so let's click on this and then let's click on create. Okay, so a cluster will be created. Okay, so let's click on create. Okay. So now the cluster option is here. So we can create our cluster on AWS or Google Cloud or Azure. So by default, AWS will be selected. So let it be selected and we just need to click on create cluster. Okay. Okay. So here it will take up to 3 to 5 minutes to create the cluster. Okay. So we need to wait for at least 5 minutes. Okay. So let me pause the video and I'll be back in 5 minutes. So while this cluster is being created, okay, let's click on database. So now it is in the background, it says your cluster is being created. And here there is a list, okay. So where you can see a few options like build your first cluster, create your first database user, add IP address to your uh, ad add IP address to access list. Okay. So, and then there are two more like load sample data, which is optional. And then there is one more connect to your cluster. Okay. So this is a handy list. So let's minimize this. Okay. So the cluster is still being created. So it will take up to 7 or 10 minutes to provision. Okay. So let's wait. Let me just pause the video. So now our first cluster has been created. The cluster name is cluster 0. Okay. And now under security, you can just click on database access. And here you can add new database user. So let's click on this. Okay. So there are some options. We need to select this password. Okay. So I'll just use the username as Tech Academy. You can give whatever username you want. Okay, I'll just keep Tech Academy 123 and password also I'll keep same Tech Academy 123. Okay, Let me just check. Okay. And if you want to auto generate the password, you can just click on this, but you need to just copy that auto generated password and save it somewhere. Okay. Because once you forget, then again you need to auto generate it. So it's better to create your own new password and remember it, or I think you just need to save it somewhere. Okay. So now this user has the option of read and write to any database. So this is good because we need that user to be able to read and write to the database. Okay. So now we just need to click on add user. Let me close this. So I think this user is being created. Now we have some other tasks to complete. Let's see what are the tasks. So once you click on get started, you can see the list. So this is done. A database user is created. Now we need to add the IP address to access list. So we need to click on network access. Okay. And here you need to click on add IP address. So here are two options. First one is add current IP address, and the second one is allow access from anywhere. So I'll just click on allow access from anywhere. Okay. So now we don't have to do anything. We just need to click on confirm. Okay, now the status is active. So that's all we need for this point. Okay. Now let's click on get started. So load sample data, this is optional, and connect your cluster. So this we will do in the next video. Okay, we will connect our cluster to our application. So right now just click on no thanks and just click on dismiss it. Okay, only one task is remaining that we will do in the next video. So now if I click on database, so this is our cluster name, cluster 0, and once I click on connect, so here are the options. As you can see, it says connect with mongoDB shell, connect your application, connect with mongoDB Compass, and connect using VS Code. So I think this is something new. First, there were only three options. Now they have added this fourth one also. So we will be using connect your application. Okay. So, but we will be doing this in the next video. Okay. So let me show you what it is. So if I click on this, so this is the string. Okay, we just need to copy this, and then we need to add the password. Okay, we need to replace this password, as it says replace password with the password for Tech Academy 123. Okay, in my case the password is also same, so that I'll show in the next video. And here also it says replace my first database with the name of database. Okay, so we need to give our database name. Okay, so instead of my first database, we need to give our database name. Okay, so that we will see in the next video. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Our mongodb database has been configured and we are ready to use it. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.